Morning, I am Angie here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, viewers, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view the use of interrogative adjective when. When is used to asking questions and queries. When is a commonly used interrogative adjective. This is used in speaking as well as it is taught in academic studies. Let's see the phrases constructed with the help of when. These are interrogative phrases, questionary phrases. Let's start our lesson up here. You see, my students, the first statement, the first question is, when will Nyla come back? 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 Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? You see, my students, when is used as an interrogative adjective and will is a helping verb and Nyla is a noun and come back is a phrasal verb. So this phrase is constructed with a when and a phrasal verb come back. When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? And this indicates the future continuous tense. This denotes that it's a future continuous tense. When will Nyla come back? When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? This is a question. When will Nyla come back? When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? When will Nyla return? When will Nyla return? The synonym of come back is return. Return means to come back. When will Nyla come back? When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? And come back is a phrasal verb and its synonym, its alternative is return. Return. When will Nyla return? When will Nyla come back? Nyla कब वापस लौटेगी? Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one is, it's a question. When will Billy act on her word? When will Billy act on her word? When will Billy act on her word? Billy कब अपने कॉल पर अमल करेगा? Billy कब अपने कॉल को निभाएगा? When will Billy? When is a questionary adjective. Will is a helping verb. Billy is a noun and act on is a helping verb. Act on is a helping verb. To take action, act on means to take action. Her word is a promise. When will Billy act on her word? कब बिली अपने कॉल पर पूरा उतरेगी? कब बिली अपने कॉल पर अमल दरामद करेगी? When will Billy act on her word? बिली अपने कॉल पर कब एक्शन लेगी? बिली अपने कॉल को कब पूरा करेगी? So this is again a beautiful phrasal verb. When will Billy act on her word? When will Billy act on her word? बिली अपने कॉल पर, अपने वादे पर कब अमल दरामद करेगी? बिली अपने वादे को कब निभाएगी? Act on होता है to take action, to fulfill a promise. So when will Billy act on her word? बिली अपने कॉल को कब निभाएगी? बिली अपने कॉल पर कब अमल करेगी? Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next statement is also a question. When will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? आप टेलीविजन को कब बंद करोगे? When will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? When is an interrogative adjective. Will is a helping verb. You is a pronoun and a subject. Flick off means to switch off. To switch off. To stop the electricity. To switch off. To switch off. To stop the electricity. And the television is an object. To switch off the supply of electricity to television. So flick off means switch off. And when will you flick off the television? आप टेलीविजन को कब बंद करोगे? When will you switch off the television? आप टेलीविजन की बटन कब बंद करोगे? आप टेलीविजन की बिजली की सप्लाई कब बंद करोगे? When will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? आप टीवी देखना कब बंद करोगे? When will you flick off the television? आप टीवी देखना कब बंद करोगे? Flick off means to switch off. To switch off. To switch off. To put off the light. To switch off. When will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? आप टेलीविजन को कब बंद करोगे? आप टीवी देखना कब बंद करोगे? Flick off means to switch off the electric supply to the television. When you put off the electricity, when will you flick off the television? When will you flick off the television? आप टीवी देखना कब बंद करोगे? Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next statement is, when will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out rowing? सोनिया कब कश्ती रानी तर्क करेगी? सोनिया कब कश्ती रानी तर्क करेगी? When will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out boating? Rowing means boating and drop out means to leave and the phrase is, when will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out rowing? Drop out means to give up, छोड़ देना, to give up, to stop doing some work, to stop doing some work, to quit. The proper word for drop out is to quit. When will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out rowing? सोनिया कश्ती रानी कब तर्क करेगी? When will Sonia drop out rowing? सोनिया कश्ती रानी कब तर्क करेगी? Drop out means to give up, to quit. Drop out means to quit, to give up. When will Sonia drop out rowing? When will Sonia drop out rowing? सोनिया कश्ती रानी कब छोड़ेगी? सोनिया कश्ती रानी कब तर्क करेगी? Let's see the next phrasal verb. This is also a question. When will she not back out his promise? When will she not back out his promise? When will she not back out his promise? This is an interrogative negative statement. When will she not back out his promise? When will she not back out his promise? Back out means do not fulfill the promise. Do not fulfill the promise means back out. So this is a negative sense, but this is a negative statement, but its meaning or sense is a positive. When will she not back out his promise? When will she not back out his promise? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? बैक आउट मीन्स वादा खिलाफी करना, वादे से फिर जाना. बैक आउट मीन्स फिर जाना. बैक आउट मीन्स फिर जाना. बैक आउट मीन्स do not fulfill the promise. Not fulfill the promise. Back out means not fulfill the promise. So here we have, when will she not back out his promise? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब वादा खिलाफी नहीं करेगी? बैक आउट मीन्स फिर जाना, वादा खिलाफी करना. सो वो अपने वादे से कब वादा खिलाफी नहीं करेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? When will she not back out her promise? When will she not back out her promise? वो अपने वादे से कब वादा खिलाफी नहीं करेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? बैक आउट मीन्स फिर जाना, वादे से मुकर जाना, वादे से मुकर जाना. वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं मुकरेगी? This is a negative statement, interrogative negative statement. When will she not back out her promise? When will she not back out her promise? वो अपने वादे से कब नहीं फिरेगी? But its sense is a positive. Let's see the next statement. Next question is, when shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? हम कब खसूसी तरबियत मुकम्मल कर लेंगे? When shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? हम कब खसूसी तरबियत मुकम्मल कर लेंगे? Pass out means to complete. to complete the training and leave the institution? When shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? हम खसूसी तरबियत का मुकम्मल कर लेंगे. When shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? हम कब खसूसी तरबियत मुकम्मल कर लेंगे? This is also a beautiful phrase. Pass out means to complete the training, to complete some training. So when shall we pass out special training? When shall we pass out special training? हम खसूसी तरबियत का मुकम्मल कर लेंगे. Here my students, these are very interesting questionary statements and these are constructed with the help of when and interrogative adjective. Memorize these phrases. Keep in mind, keep in watching my videos. I wish you all the best. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye.